You might want to save your PowerPoint presentation as a video to make it look better and more engaging. You can do this easily in Microsoft PowerPoint 2019, as PowerPoint 2019 offers this feature. How to do it? Watch this tutorial until the end. Go to the File menu, then select Export, and then create a video. Before converting your PowerPoint slide to video, it's a good idea to set the quality first. Here, you can adjust the video quality. There are standard, 480p, HD, 720p, Full HD, 1080p, and Ultra HD, 4K. After setting the video quality, click Create Video to proceed. You'll then be directed to the Save As screen, where you can specify the location where the video file will be saved and change the file name. Once everything is set, click Save to proceed to the conversion stage. Wait for the process to complete, and you'll see the results. It was easy, wasn't it? Hopefully, this tutorial has been helpful. See you in the next video.